cleaning this gas tank. It's got a lot of rust in it. So where I started with this was with salt and vinegar. And I let it soak for a minute, and then I also threw in some nuts and bolts. I let this kind of act as like a heavy duty sandpaper because baking soda and salt will only last so long. Work smarter, not harder. So I swished it around, let it soak for a minute, rinsed it out with the parts cleaning stuff. No results really. I let the parts cleaning liquid sit and soak in it. Scrubbed a little bit, rinsed it out. Still not the greatest results. So then I put this Rust-Oleum rust dissolver in it. I didn't think it was really going to work because it had been sitting in the shop for a long time, and temperature changes, all that. Things tend to not work very well after that. But I sprayed it in there, left, came back for 5 minutes, rinsed it out, and I had some spots. So I'm pretty impressed. But again, I don't know if it was because of everything combination together or if it was the stuff by itself. But I do have another tank that we will try it on first and see how well it actually works. So what we're gonna do now is put vinegar and salt, let it sit overnight, and we will see what we get.